Hello viewers, today in this video I am gonna show you how to fix something went wrong in your on Facebook video. Okay, let's start the video. First of all, click on Facebook apps. Scroll down, now tap on Reels video. Something went wrong, try again. See, this is a problem, then let's solve this problem it. After that, now go back your home screen and go to your phone setting and follow my step by step. Scroll down, now tap on apps. Search icon, now search for Facebook apps. Now tap on Facebook Lite. Scroll down, now tap on storage. Now clear cache and clear data. Now go back and tap on force stop. Now tap on OK. Now tap on permissions and all as permission. After that, now go back your home screen and go to your Play Store, update your Facebook apps. Search icon, now search for Facebook apps. Now tap on Facebook. It is already updated. Now go back your home screen and restart your phone. Now go to your Facebook apps. I hope your problem is solved. Thank you.